Now, for those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a little project on a 2018 GSXR 1000R model. This bike is brand hammer new. Even though it is a 2018, it basically has no miles on it. It was bought as a leftover model. And we're here today to do all the basic modifications. So we're gonna be installing a Brock's Alien Head exhaust, a Sprint F185 air filter, and doing an ECU flash and tune on this thing. So we're gonna be removing all the restrictions from the ECU, and we are going to be dyno tuning the fuel system. Right now, it's got the Dyson exhaust. Dyson exhaust, you guys seen that, right? Vacuum cleaner, that's what it sounds like. So anyways, it's got the catalytic converter, it's got everything. This bike is untouched, off the showroom floor. Only thing that's been done is basically a lowering kit. And we're gonna be removing this exhaust system. We're gonna be taking the air filter out. We're gonna be doing the first service, getting the break-in oil out of it, putting some good oil, a good exhaust, and a good air filter, and of course that old trusty good tune, and seeing what this thing's all about. So we're gonna do a dyno pull right now to show you exactly what the bike has, brand new, out of the box from the factory, and then we're gonna show you what we can get out of this thing with just your basic everyday bolt-on modifications, and of course unrestricting the ECU tune. For those of you who are new to the channel and do not necessarily know what we are talking about by removing the restrictions, we'll be showing all those details later in the video as well. When we dyno tune this thing, I'm gonna show you every single detail of what's going on inside the ECU of this motorcycle and why they don't make any more power than they do from the factory. Also, if you'll check and see the link to our other video, be sure to support our buddy Tristan's GoFundMe page. He has a 2020 GSXR 1000, basically just like this bike. We did a dyno tune ECU. He was in a tragic accident in that thing. He is currently paralyzed, everything. So anyways, he's got a GoFundMe account set up. He has got major hospital bills. Let's do everything we can to try to show support to him. If you have already donated, we do appreciate that. He's not necessarily I'm not gonna say he's not a friend of mine, but like I said, he's just a guy that came in, got dyno tuned, we got to talking. He supported more Mafia, so we're gonna do everything we can to support him. If you got $5 extra, man, $5 extra, if everybody that watches this video sends $5, that's a huge deal. All right, guys, so here we go. What do you think this thing's gonna make? Comment in the comments below and let me know. It's running, guys. Yeah. Gotta get rid of that. All right, guys, so we just got the fairings off this thing. We're just got the oil out of it. One thing I wanted to take a second to show you is these exhaust servo valves. So there's a motor in here, opens and closes this little flap in the exhaust. You got these cables here, and then way back here in the tail section, you have this little electronic motor. That's what opens and closes this valve. So we're gonna remove all that stuff, so that'll give you a little bit of room in the trunk. And then we're gonna get, of course, this factory exhaust system off. But for those of you who have one of these bikes who you hear, or I guess you say if you hear a ticking noise, which is very common, it's that exhaust valve up in there. There's another one of the little electronic valves with a motor, and that thing screws up because basically carbon buildup and stuff gets on these little valves inside the exhaust, and they don't open and close properly. Now you can also see how small this exhaust system is, and then there's the catalytic converter right there with the factory O2 sensor. Now we will not be using the factory O2 sensor once we put the exhaust system on. That's just no longer needed, and we'll turn off the check engine light and all that stuff in our Flash as we go. All right guys, hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. If you are, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna continue on getting this exhaust off. Later, actually, we have got the exhaust system on this brand hammer new 2018 GSXR 1000. We've heat cycled it a few times. We got the fresh oil in it. Everything is ready to go. It looks and sounds amazing. We'll be making the initial dyno pulls with it. We have not touched the ECU yet. It is 100% all factory, untouched fuel tables, and restrictions are still in the ECU. All right guys, first pull with the exhaust. Comment in the comments below, what do you think it's gonna gain? And then what do you think we're gonna get when we finish? Also, since we're done on pump gas, we're gonna drain the gas tank and we're gonna put MR12 in this thing for the stage 2 ECU Flash and see what we get on race gas. That's also where we have the power dip before, where the bike was making peak power. Now it's not making peak power there because it's not getting enough fuel. I'm gonna correct all that right here in just a second. All right guys, here we go. This is actually the second pull on the unrestricted ECU. We made one pull, saw good gains, but now we've corrected some air fuel ratios. We're about to make the third pull on the bike total. Let's see what we come up with. Right after this pull, we're not going to waste a lot of time tuning on pump gas. I just wanted to kind of show you the capabilities of pump gas, show you the gains. And I'm going to drain this fuel. We're going to put MR12 in it and go to the stage 2 flash. Guys, 181 horsepower already. So we went from 159, that's the blue line here, we'll put it in bold, Then we jumped to the purple line, which is here. Then we unrestricted and flashed the ECU, which put us to the green line there. And I corrected the air-fuel ratio some, and that put us to 181. So, from the exhaust system and the flash and tune, look at what we've done for our horsepower. We went from 113 to 126, 122 to 134, and then when we roll out here to the big end, we went from 147 to 181. That's over 30 horsepower. Huge gains, and we're not done yet. We're about to drain the gas on this thing, put MR12, and see if we can hit the 190 mark. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, boys, here we go. You smell that? Smells kinda like Krispy Kreme with the hot and ready sign on. We're gonna use our little special hose here, put this in, and it will siphon the gas into the bike. Basically, this hose I have has a marble in the end of it. And when I shake it, it creates a siphon. So that's how we get the gas out of the tank, and that's how we put the MR12 into the tank. It'll pump 3.5 gallons in 1 minute. So this little thing's the lifesaver for us. We do sell these here at the store. They're only like 15 or 20 bucks too. And the good thing is we don't spill a drop. All nice and neat. All right, let's get this stuff run through the system and see what kind of gains we get. First pull on the MR12, look for about a 5, 6, 7 horsepower gain. Finished up the video tuning this GSXR 1000s. Look at the total gains this thing picked up, all from just a simple exhaust system, air filter, and race gas in the bike. These things are absolute monsters, huge gainers, and not that much money spent. So of course the exhaust system cost a good bit, but overall you still are under $2,000 or right around $2,000 by the time you get it installed, tuned, and everything. This particular bike went from 147 horsepower to 190 horsepower. And you can see even in the mid and low range, still huge gains there. We went from 116 to 134. Overall, big gainer. Even as soon as you crack the throttle, 72 to 82. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We do videos like this all the time. Smash that like button, and as always, guys, we appreciate you watching. See you next time.